రంగంలో దేశంలోని ఇతర రాష్ట్రాలతోనే కాకుండా ఇతర దేశాలతో కూడా తాము పోటీ పడుతున్నట్లు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఐటీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ మంత్రి లోకేష్ పేర్కొన్నారు. ఇండియన్ సెల్యులర్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రతినిధులతో ఆయన సోమవారం ఢిల్లీలో సమావేశమయ్యారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఏపీని ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ హబ్ గా మార్చడానికి చేపడుతున్న చర్యలు, రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్న అనుకూల పరిస్థితులను పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలకు వివరించారు. పేరన్నగన్న పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలతో ప్రత్యేక ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేశామని, తరచూ వారితో సమావేశమై విధాన సమస్యలు, సవాళ్లను అధిగమించడానికి చర్యలు చేపడుతున్నట్లుగా కూడా నారా లోకేష్ పేర్కొన్నారు.
I'd like to thank LG Electronics for choosing Andhra Pradesh. I know that all our neighboring states were chasing you for this investment. You have an amazing leadership team here. They have done an amazing job in negotiating on your behalf. And we will work hard together a successful project. And I would like to request the leadership of LG to also bring your sister companies to this wonderful ecosystem. All your partners, all your suppliers, we would love to host them here. You have the entire leadership of Sri City in front of you. I wouldn't say they're more aggressive than the government, but they're as aggressive as the state government. They are eager to build an entire ecosystem that we believe will be very critical in making this ecosystem not only successful, but thrive over the next century. It's not about one plant or one project. We want to build an LG city here in Sri City, and we request the support of the LG leadership here to make this a success. With every job created, with every innovation launched, we are scripting Andhra's rise as India's electronics powerhouse. Let this factory be the factory of dreams for every young engineer, every aspiring technologist, and every entrepreneur. As an HRD minister, this factory also gives me new challenges of giving you trained manpower, cutting-edge quality leadership. We will work with your leadership to deliver that. And together, let's build not just machines, but dreams, not just products, but possibilities. So I'd like to thank the entire LG leadership for coming here all the way from Korea. It means a lot. Rest assured, over the next 4 years, we will work on getting direct connectivity to our international airport here in Tirupati to make your journey more seamless. And it also helps that the Minister of Civil Aviation is from my party. He's a very young MP. He's the youngest cabinet minister in the history of India. So I'll definitely put this request in front of him, and I'll task him in connecting both our great nations from Tirupati. I would like to thank all of you for
అధ్యక్షతన జరిగింది. ఇక